Hello there, it's Sheila back again. Welcome to my channel. I'm going to show, for anyone who doesn't know how to do a twisted rib. This is a beginner's the thing. I've already done, I've done one or two videos about things like this, but they've probably been lost in the early videos that I've done. So for anyone who would like to know, this is how I do twisted rib. I've already got a few rows done here. I've done a cable cast on and knitted a few rows, and I'm going to show you how I do this, the twisted rib. And it's just knit one, purl one, and instead of knitting into the front of the stitch, the knit stitch, you knit into the back of it. So that's knitting into the back of the knit stitch. So you knit one stitch and then purl one stitch, just as you would normally. Some people do into the back of the purl stitch, but it's rather difficult to knit into the back of a purl stitch. So I just prefer to do it this way. So you knit into the back of the next knit stitch. A normal purl stitch, knit into the back of the knit stitch again, a normal purl, knit into the back of the knit stitch again, and a normal purl, and I'll carry on across that row. And the last stitch to knit into the back of, and then one purl stitch. And that's all there is to that twisted rib. And I've done a little sample to show the difference between the twisted rib and the normal plain rib. And as you can see, the twisted rib is quite a nice change to the, that's a hole in there, I've been stuck on the needle. And it looks quite a nicer pattern. That's the kind of rib that I prefer, that I do on all of my cardigans and sweaters. So if you like that video, thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll show you more.